So let's see this beautiful Goan Verdur where you don't need to grind any masala paste. It's just a shortcut and easy recipe. Now first I washed my bottle gourd or dudhi really well, cut it up into half. Now I'm going to be using half for this recipe and I'll be using half for the other recipe which I'll be posting very soon. So keep tuned to Akshata's recipes. Now after peeling it, I've just taken off the top and I'm just going to cut it up like this into medium sized cubes. We don't want very small cubes, we don't want large cubes, so medium sized cubes. So see that your dudhi is fresh. Always taste a little bit of the dudhi and see that it is not bitter. If it is bitter, please discard it. Your dudhi should be nice and sweet and fresh and not bitter at all. So this is half a cup of dudhi. Now I've taken one small tomato which I've chopped, two green chilies which I've slit, one medium-sized onion which I've cut, and 1 cup of thick coconut milk. Now I am using the ready-made coconut milk powder which I've just mixed up with some warm water. But if you want to use the organic, actually make the coconut milk, you're free to do that. Now in a bowl, I'm going to take 1 teaspoon of Goan garam masala. I have posted a recipe. It's super simple. I will leave a link in the description box as well as the comment section, so check it out. Now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Next I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1/4 teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder. That's all the powder masalas that you need. Now I'm going to mix all the powder masalas really well and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. I've just taken 4 large cloves of garlic and mashed them up in my mortar and pestle, and I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of water. Add a little at a time and mix all these ingredients and this will become our masala paste. So there's no need of grinding all the spices and going through all of that. You can just mix everything nicely well together. Now the garam masala has got everything, cinnamon, cloves, so you can see the recipe and your masala paste is ready. So now we can start making our verdur. So I've taken a pan, heated it on a low to medium flame, and I'm going to add only 1 teaspoon of oil. This recipe does not require extra oil. Now once the oil is hot, I'm going to add the slit green chilies and I'm going to fry the chilies really well so that they flavor the oil. Always fry your chilies well when they get a little bit of a white coating on the peel of the chili. That way it flavors the oil also very well. So once the chilies are fried, I'm going to add the onion. I've just taken 1 medium-sized onion, washed it, peeled it and just chopped it. And I'm going to saute this onion for at least half a minute till it becomes a little bit translucent. So it's very important to, bagar all the veggies well. And now I'm going to add the small tomato that I've chopped and I'm going to fry the tomato also really well for about half a minute at least. Now I'm going to add this masala paste that we made with all the powder masalas. Now I always have all these powder masalas, ready at hand. I'll leave a link to a video of my spice rack and even my kitchen tour video. So for those of you who have missed it, you can watch those all in the description box and the comment section down below. Now I'm just going to add about 1/4 cup of water to this masala paste. And now we're just going to mix everything well and we're going to wait for the tomatoes to cook a bit, to become a little soft. That takes about half a minute. So let the tomatoes cook for about half a minute till they're a little bit soft. Now we're going to add the dudhi or the gourd, the bottle gourd, and we're going to coat all the pieces well with this bagar. Next, I'm just going to cover and cook this for about 7 minutes, but stirring in between to ensure that the dudhi is cooked. So to ensure that after about 7 minutes, just press one of the pieces down with your spoon or a knife and it should break very easily into 2 pieces. This is very important that the dudhi gets cooked before we add the coconut milk. So mix everything nicely together. And once your dudhi or your bottle gourd is cooked, now you're going to add the coconut milk. Just add a little more water, about 1/4 cup of water. Mix everything nicely together. And you see how the color of this verdur has become nice and light. Now we're going to add some salt to taste and a little pinch of sugar. Stir everything well, give it a taste, see if you need to add a little more salt. And then we're going to cover and cook this for another 5 minutes. And you can see that now the dudhi has become translucent. You can actually, it's like the pieces are translucent. That means your dudhi is ready, your verdur is ready. And this goes best with some nice rice and some fried fish and pickle, or even some prawn chili fry at the side. So just serve this up nice and hot. And it's really, really delicious. And this is very nice for the summer. It's very light on the palate and the tummy. So do try out this recipe and do let me know in the comment section how you like this recipe. Go and check out all my other Goan recipes. All the recipes with their links will be in the description box as well as the comment section. You just click on the link and you can go to my recipe directly. So thank you so much for being here on Akshata's Recipes. I'll catch you soon in my next video. Bye.
I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's Recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.